Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today it's a new thing in my channel. I'm actually doing it's Sunday by the way. I'm doing a bar replay recording, and just to see how we react when we see the bar and what should we do. And I'm actually like practicing myself together with you all, like when we encounter this bar, what we should do, and what does the candle actually telling us, and what is our next step. Okay, so I'm actually doing this for this video, and because I didn't subscribe for this trading view, so we can only manually use the bar replay function. Okay, let me show you how. Yeah, you can see I'm blocking the bar on the right by using this y-axis, and so yeah, our focus will be here. So bear with me and let's learn together. And I will actually zoom a little bit, exaggerate the bar a little bit. So let's start from here. Okay, let's say today we enter this market and we saw this at 5-minute charts. We saw this trend and closing bar. The recent bar is here. Okay, a bullish candle. Okay, so what we should do now? We just finish our work. We get into we got some free time, and we open up the market. We open up the chart, and we saw this candle. What should we do next? And we want to get ourselves involved in the market, right? So yeah, let's get started. So usually for me, since I just enter and look at this chart, so I won't take any action unless there's a very great sign, great signal that so that I will enter the market. Okay, so now first thing first, we can see the trend is actually moving upwards and start to have a lower high. Start to form lower high. Not sure why, but as you can see, previous candle is all above the EMA 20, and yeah, this one is a sharp decline, sharp drop, close below EMA 20 and force back up quite instantly, and then it's just kind of all above the EMA 20. From here is dropping below EMA 20 and push back up. So there's no clear signal here for me, at least. So I will observe a little bit and we'll see the next candle. Okay, the candle closed above the EMA 20, and there's another candle, a very large volume candle, bullish candle, close above this. And yeah, for me, if I am at that point, I would go for a long, because there's it closed above EMA 20, and there's a gap between this bar and the low of this bar and the EMA 20. So I would actually place my order here long and put my stop loss over here. slightly one tick below this bar. Right. Okay, here. Yeah, if I want to do, I will do this. Yeah, let's see next. Okay, the next candle is a T-bar. I don't think it's a great sign for us because you see the bar never close above this previous bar. Just it's not a great sign for buyer. So we go to the next one. Yeah, as you can see, it's spiked up. Even though I placed my order one tick above this high, but still enter my order. But if let's say I'm in this trade, I didn't go for other activity, I'm staying focused and observing the chart. If I saw this bar, I would cancel my trade actually. Right, I'll cancel it. Right, so we'll move on to the next one. Yeah, coming down. It's not a good sign. As you can see, the bar start to overlap and it start to be forming a trading trend. No clear signal, will not enter. You see a lot of overlapping. Yeah, overlapping now. Oops, there's a very huge volume of candle for a bullish candle. We'll see there's no follow through, still in trading range. Yeah, so no trading range. If in trading range, if we found out that this is in a trading range already, right, we can delete this first. If we found out that this is actually overlapping and in trading range, and we found that this bar is high followed by this bearish candle, we can actually go for a short, but one tick below here, place a stop loss here and go for 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Yeah, 1 to 1.5. Yeah, easily hit it because it's in the trading range. Yeah, so since it's in the trading range, there is this. Okay, I will scalp it lah. Then if in trading range, right, then you can actually place this buy order, do a 1 to 1.5 trade. Hopefully, yeah, we can reach 1 to 1.5. Yeah, just barely hit our target. Yeah, then okay, we can do 2 scalp, one here. Yeah, and from here we saw this. We can actually place one tick and above, then place the stop loss here, target 1 to 1.2 here. We'll see how it plays. Yeah, as you can see, 1 to 1.5 easily heated. And because if I'm in that trade, I didn't leave my computer, so I would actually I saw that 1 2 3 4 5 6, there's a 6 bullish candle. I will actually be greedy a little bit, push the risk to reward to 1 to 2. Yeah, and sell it here, then followed by here going up. So there is a first pullback, and the trend, because of here, a lot of buyer here, and it's all above this EMA 20 and just slightly below. The first pullback usually fail, so we'll buy somewhere here and it goes back up. All right, we'll buy at here. Buy here. Of course, we won't buy at a low of this. We are not baller. One tick above this. Okay. Catch a 1.1 to 1.1 to 1.5 lah. Usually, the win rate is higher. Then go back to a trading range. Yeah. Then this is a finish of this day lah. And going back to the trading range lah. Trying to break through the EMA 20 but fail and goes back up. Yeah. So if I have enough time, I can actually spot quite a few good trade in one day. Here, from here, 1, 2. There's no good trade. 3. Yeah, 3 good trade. 3 good trade can brings me around 5 hours of reward. I'm good to go. But how long does this actually last? From here to here. Yeah, 5 hours. You need fucking 5 hours to identify it. You need to sit in front of a computer for 5 hours so that you're able to identify these 3 traits. Yeah. I'll try to do this. At least spot 1 or 2 trades. Spend 1 to 2 hours a day to trade. It will be good enough if I can spot 3R, if I can win 3R in a day. Yeah, okay, that's all for today. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.